Today, we're going to show you how our platform can transform the way your students prepare for the ACT. We've got some great features that not only help students get test ready, but also give you all the tools you need to track, analyze, and make their prep more efficient. Ready? Let's dive in. All right, first things first, let's talk about the actual testing experience. We know that test day can be stressful, so we wanted to make sure that the practice environment your students work in feels just like the real thing. Here's our ACT test interface. As you can see, it's super user-friendly and looks just like the actual ACT exam they'll face on test day. We've carefully designed this to match the ACT's format, from the timer ticking down to the navigation of questions they'll see. We want your students to feel completely comfortable when it's time to sit for the real exam. By familiarizing them with this interface, we help reduce those test day jitters and build their confidence every step of the way. Now, let's talk about the real magic that happens after your students finish a test. When students submit their answers, the platform automatically generates a super detailed performance report. But here's where it gets exciting. These reports don't just show a grade, they give you a complete picture of how your students performed. You can see where they're excelling and, more importantly, where they need more work. You'll get insights like their scaled scores and a detailed skills breakdown. You can quickly identify strengths and areas that need improvement, with subject-specific insights across English, math, reading, and science. The user response summary shows how each skill level question was handled, and dive deeper into individual questions to see detailed analytics. Have a look at the user response and correct answer. Also, analyze how many students chose each option and the average time spent on each question. These reports go way beyond a score. They're your roadmap to understanding your students' needs and guiding them towards improvement. Here's the best part. Using these insights, you can create targeted practice tests for your students. Say one of your students is struggling with reading, but they're killing it in math. No problem. You can create custom practice sets just for them, focused on the areas they need to improve. This way, you're not just giving your students random practice questions. You're designing exercises that are tailored to their unique needs. And the best part? With a realistic test environment, detailed performance insights, and the ability to create targeted practice, our platform is designed to support you in helping students perform at their best. We believe better preparation starts with the right tools, and we're excited to be a part of that journey with you.